Looking for project cars under $1,000? Today, we found 10 classic rides that are rough, affordable, and ready for rescue. From vintage Buicks to old Ford pickups, these are the kinds of cars that spark ideas for budget-friendly restorations. And just to be clear, our channel doesn't sell these vehicles. We simply bring you the latest listings so you can see what's out there. Car 1. 1965 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2-door. Here's a project that might catch your eye. A 1965 Ford Thunderbird Coupe offered at just $800. It's finished in white with a contrasting red interior, paired with an automatic transmission. The seller says it was picked up as a hobby project, but just doesn't have the time anymore. Worth noting, the car needs its own tires, as the ones in the photos won't come with it. 2 owners in its lifetime, and it still carries that iconic mid-60s T-Bird profile. For someone looking to revive a stylish personal luxury car, this could be an affordable entry point. Car 2. 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Next up, a 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle priced at $900. Showing just under 95,000 miles, this bright yellow coupe runs and drives, though the seller is clear it's not roadworthy as it sits. The body has rust issues and peeling clear coat, and it comes without a title. Still, the Beetle's charm is undeniable, and with parts widely available, it's a simple and fun project for the right person. Car 3. 1978 Dodge Pickup half-ton long bed. Now for something tougher. A 1978 Dodge half-ton long bed pickup for just $600. This one's been in the family a long time and was used around the farm. It's got Dodge's classic 318 V8 under the hood, which was running when it was parked. The truck has been spray-painted camo over its original red, but the body is surprisingly straight with no major dents. Missing a driver's door glass, but those are easy to find. No title, but the seller will provide a bill of sale. The bed alone could justify the price, making this a budget-friendly start for a Mopar truck fan. Car 4. 1950 Pontiac Chieftain. Here's a slice of early 1950s Americana. A 1950 Pontiac Chieftain listed at $700. It's powered by a straight 8 engine and automatic transmission, and according to the seller, it does run in yard drive. Recently got a new battery and a rebuilt master cylinder, but a brake line blew. No title, but original rims are included. The seller even mentioned they'd take $500 if you bring your own tires and wheels. Definitely a project, but with that old school Pontiac styling, it could be a rewarding one. Car 5. 1954 Buick Super Duer Hardtop. Closing out this first batch is a 1954 Buick Super Riviera 2-door hardtop, priced at $1,000. This one's a big job. It's rough overall, but mostly complete. Under the hood sits a 332 nailhead V8 with a Dynaflow automatic, though the engine is stuck. The car rolls freely and still has its hood, but the grille parts are missing. No title, but a bill of sale will be provided. It's the kind of project for someone ambitious or simply a good parts car to help another Buick live on. Car 6. 1947 Pontiac. Here's a classic from the post-war era, a 1947 Pontiac 4-door Fastback. The seller says it's complete and original, parked since 1974. Priced at $1,000, it doesn't come with a title, but it's the kind of full-body Pontiac that doesn't show up every day. With its fastback styling and 1940s charm, this could be either a long-haul restoration or a solid donor car for someone already deep into a similar project. Car 7 is a 1973 MGB Chrome Bumper Roadster. For sports car fans, here's a 1973 MGB Roadster, and yes, it's one of the last years with the desirable chrome bumpers. It's a manual transmission, dual carb setup, and the seller says the engine turns and was running when parked. Listed at $1,000 with a clear title, it's an appealing budget project. The ad is pretty firm. First $1,000 takes it, so bring a trailer if you're ready to dive into a British Roadster project. Car 8 is a 1980 Mercedes-Benz 300cd Coupe, also at $1,000. This one runs, but clearly needs work. The odometer shows 130,000 miles, but isn't functional anymore, so true mileage is unknown. Still, with its clean title and solid coupe design, it could make a very cool restoration or even a daily classic with some elbow grease. Car 9 is a 1959 Ford F100 regular cab pickup. Truck lovers, take note. Here's a 1959 Ford F100 fleet-side pickup. Priced at $1,000, the seller says they started restoring it about 2 years ago but lost interest. It's already been gutted, which can be a blessing or a curse depending on how you see it. 2 owners, automatic transmission, and a clean title make it a decent base for a build. Classic Ford trucks from the 50s are only getting more popular, so even in project form, it's an interesting candidate. Car 10 is a 1962 Buick Electra 225 sedan. Rounding out the list, we've got a big cruiser, the 1962 Buick Electra 225 sedan. Clean title, automatic transmission, but the odometer is broken. At $1,000, it's priced right for a project of this size. These cars are known for their long wheelbase and plush interiors. While it'll take plenty of work to bring one back, there's no denying the cool factor of a 60s full-size Buick gliding down the road again. And that wraps up today's look at 10 project cars under $1,000. Some are rusty, some are rough, but all of them carry a little piece of history waiting for the right person to bring them back. If you enjoyed this list, be sure to check out our other videos for more classic finds, and stick around because there's always another project just around the corner. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.